Do you know how much water you need to survive? This is more than a trivial question. In a survival situation, staying hydrated is paramount. Dehydration can lead to dire consequences, from fatigue and confusion to life-threatening heat stroke. The average person requires around 1 gallon or 3.7 liters of water per day. Yet factors like the climate, your activity level, and personal health conditions can cause this number to fluctuate. So, understanding your personal water needs is crucial to your survival. Now, how can you calculate your personal water needs? Well, it's not as complex as it sounds. There are a few key factors to consider: your climate, physical activity, and health conditions. Firstly, your climate. If you're in a hot, humid environment, you'll need to drink more water to compensate for the fluid loss from sweating. Next, your physical activity. The more active you are, the more water you'll need to replenish your body. Lastly, certain health conditions, like diabetes or heart disease, can also increase your water needs. A basic formula to estimate your daily water needs is to take your body weight in pounds and divide it by 2. The result gives you the number of ounces of water you should drink each day. But remember, this is just a rough estimate. In a survival situation, your actual needs could be much higher due to increased physical exertion and stress. Remember, it's always better to have more water than you think you'll need. So, you've calculated your water needs. What about conserving, finding, and purifying water? It's essential to conserve water in a survival situation. One way to do this is by avoiding excessive sweating. Dress in layers so you can adjust your clothing according to the temperature, and try to stay in the shade during the hottest parts of the day. Also, use your water wisely. Don't waste it on non-essential tasks, like washing dishes or clothes. Every drop counts when survival is the game. Now let's talk about finding water. Nature gives us clues if we know how to read them. Areas with lush vegetation, swarms of insects, or bird flight paths can indicate nearby water sources. Rainwater is another great source. Collect it in containers or tarps, but remember, any water found in the wild should be treated before consumption to avoid diseases. Which brings us to purifying water. Boiling is the simplest and most effective method. Just bring your water to a rolling boil for at least 1 minute. If you don't have a fire, you can use purification tablets or filters. These are light, compact, and easy to carry. They eliminate bacteria, viruses, and other harmful substances, making your water safe to drink. Remember, water is life, especially in a survival situation. By understanding your water needs and learning how to conserve, find, and purify water, you can increase your chances of survival in any situation. Let's recap what we've learned today. Hydration is vital for survival. Your personal water needs can be calculated considering various factors, and there are effective strategies for conserving, finding, and purifying water. Remember, in any survival situation, water is your most valuable resource. Stay safe, stay hydrated.